Where'd you go, 457 upstate New York? Where'd you go, 457 upstate New York? Copperhead 295 with the wave around southeast Kentucky. How about that 297 around the mini-state? How about that 297 around the mini-state? Hey, Gooseneck 297 in the mini-state. Copperhead 295's looking your way, break.
Come on up here, top side of Montana, let's go.
I don't want to talk to the top side of Montana. Can you not hear? I don't want to talk to the top side of Montana. I done talked there. I want to talk to the mini-state. I want to talk to that 297 in the mini-state. Montana ain't got nothing in there but cold mountains and big old cowboys or something like that. I don't want to talk to Montana. I'm looking to the northeast. Come on in there, 297 Gooseneck. Copperhead 295's reading this mail and holding this gate.
Y'all tell that 406 midnight mud runner with his back up against the wall in Montana. Tell him, get on the back of the bus and get in John Denver's dungeon. He's got an extra dang cell in the dungeon for old midnight mud runner. Is that right? You right about that?
Oh, I heard that. Yeah, I believe Midnight Cowboy. I believe Midnight Cowboy is John Denver's little mud ducking toy, Roger.
I say something going on. That doggone midnight mud runner escaped from the dungeon. They've been looking for him. He slipped the shackles and got out. He took all the donuts and he's gone. Iron Man in Alabama waving.
How about that Iron Man in Alabama? Hey, Iron Man in Alabama. Hey, Iron Man in Alabama. Did you say that Midnight Cowboy was like that Brokeback Mountain cowboy up there in Montana, and that he takes it from John Denver in the dungeon? What?
I ain't going that far, man. I ain't going that far. He dang sure had to get out of the dungeon. He slipped the shackles, grabbed the donuts, and he hauled fast back to Montana. He been on the radio ever since, hollering out there. Woo, doggy. That dang old Midnight Cowboy, though, he can get her done sometimes. I don't want to say nothing too bad about him. But John needs to fuck his mouth. He must be Montana's cheeseburger. Iron Man thing.
Oh man, I just heard something on the radio that I shouldn't have heard. I heard something on that there radio that I shouldn't have heard. I heard that 406 Midnight Cowboy takes it in his dungeon from John Denver. What a shame, what a shame. How about that 110 New York? How about your 110 11111111111111111? How about that 110 New York? Hey, 110, my mall dropping friend around New York. Copperhead 295's looking at you, break.
Copperhead, that doggone Farmer John calls it plunging in the dungeon, and I'm gone.
Hey, Farmer John, sounded good up here in southeast Kentucky. Welcome to the Bluegrass, and welcome to my video gate. Copperhead right there, right back.
Buckeye, Iron Man in Alabama waving.
How about that Iron Man in Alabama? Hey, Iron Man in Alabama, Copperhead 295 with the wave from southeast Kentucky.
You know, Copperhead, you boomed in there above all the others. I think you chopped some lips off though, but yeah, I'm waving at you from Alabama. I ain't gonna bring you back no more.
Roger, Iron Man. Hey, I try to do it. I'm talking you off my back splitter. I'm talking off my back splitter off this 2-element homemade quad. Hey, Iron Man, Alabama. If you hear an Alabama scripture in there, Roll that friendly 5 his way for me, will you?
That's fine. I'm on way slave at 10-7.
Where you at, Alabama skip shooter? I got conditions in the BAM. Where you at, Alabama skip shooter, Copperhead 295, waving from my back splatter, break. How about that Nikki Bots 110, Nikki Bots 110, Nikki Bots, Nikki Bots, Nikki Bots? How about that RDX style number 110 around New York? A RDX 110, 110, 110. I'm looking for some RDX 110 around New York, Copperhead 295, Southeast Kentucky's #1 mud ducking mall dropper with the wave. someone run a bluegrass. Ain't nobody in a bluegrass with the radio, but this mud ducking, maul dropping Copperhead 295 working this crappy Cobra 29. And I'm reading this mail and rolling this gate.
All right, North Mountain,